How to delete friends on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to delete your friends on Snapchat or remove the friends on Snapchat but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. You can find it by just searching the Snapchat application, and after you just find it, you have to tap on Snapchat like this. Now, after you tap on Snapchat like this, Snapchat will be launched on your very mobile device. After Snapchat is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the message chatting like icon on the downside. And after you tap on that, now you have to tap on the very friend that you would like to delete or the very friend that you would like to remove. Now for that, you have to search the very friend that you would like to remove. After you find the very person, you have to tap on the person like this. And after you tap on the person like this, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the three dots on the top and then go to the option of manage the friendship. Now since you would like to delete the person, you can go to the option of remove the person. But if any day you would like to block the person, you can also go to the option of block. But since you would just like to remove or we would just like to delete the person, we can go to the option of remove the friend and then tap on remove, and this way the person will be deleted from our very Snapchat there. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.